Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Kotak credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Kotak Mahindra credit card online, open up a web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top or go to the search box and type in activate Kotak credit card and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. From the search results, click on this first link that says activate/deactivate your card Kotak Mahindra Bank. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to a new page where you can easily activate or deactivate your credit card. Simply enter the following details in order to proceed further on the next page. Start off by typing in your registered mobile number with Kotak Mahindra Bank in the first text box. Now, head over to the next field and select your date of birth information, or you can also type in your CRN in the next text box. Once you enter your information, click on Send OTP. You'll receive a one-time password sent on your mobile number via SMS. Simply click it open and paste it in on the next page. Now follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your Kotak Mahindra credit card online. That is all for today's video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.